Wanna know how to delete an account in Reolink? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Reolink application. And once you've done that, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your Me icon. So just simply select it. Now, once you selected this Me icon, you should be provided with various interfaces. Now, since you want to delete it, make sure you select your profile or your username first. So this should open up another account info for you. So right here below logout, you should be seeing delete account. So you can simply select this or just simply head towards two-factor authentication right here, where an external browser opens up, and scroll all the way down until you see manage your data. Just simply select check and then select I want to delete account. Send your verification code, and after the verification code is done, you can just simply continue, and here you can see under 72 hours all of your data and your account will be deleted. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.